Hi, my name is Brian Conforti and I'm a product manager here at PureLink. In today's media access tutorial, we'll be showing you how to set the scaling resolution for each output. To set the scaling resolution for each individual output, select the I/O configuration tab and select Scaler Out. Select the resolution you would like to scale to from the timing list. Then select the outputs you would like to have scaled to that resolution and press Enter. You can also set all to select all outputs and press Enter to change all of your outputs at once. Clear All will clear all selections. Remember, Media Access's scaling engine is powered by Motori 2.0, which allows for full-featured 4K 60, 444 media processing and auto-scaling, with frame rate conversion available at every output. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.purelinkav.com. Thank you.